be real, if you're running an e-com store or selling products online, a plate wine background isn't just boring, it's costing you sales. You need scroll-stopping visuals, you need high-end photography, but you don't have the time or the budget for a professional studio. Enter Creativio AI, the ultimate tool to turn your product shots into revenue-generating machines. Here's exactly how you take your simple product image, logo, and a human element and create magic. Watch this. Either you use the magic mode and you can select any of the options that you see here where you can place the product in different placements, backgrounds, textures, surroundings, and backgrounds. But if you don't want to overthinking, just prompt the AI what you want to see and it's going to create the magic for you. Just go ahead and click generate photo shoot. And boom, in seconds, you have professional grade photography, the lighting perfect, the shadows realistic. And it looks like you've spent thousands on a photo shoot with professional photographers. But let me show you something even better. Let's say you don't want square and you do want like landscape with multiple aspect ratios and high quality images. Let's just regenerate another one. And boom, there you have it. Another image turned into a professional grade product placement photography with zero cost. Now, want a different vibe? Just change the color, the background, swap the model, and the headlines. And this is everything right inside your app. You are in total control. Just type in what you want, like, place the girl in the center, move the banner to the right, and turn this into a botanical background. One click, simple instruction turns your image into the one that you're actually looking for. And boom, there you got it. But we're not done yet. Static images are great, but videos are king. So I'm going to show you how you can turn this image into a professional grade animation video with one click. Your photo is just transforming into an attention grabbing video. Let's just move here to the animation studio and upload one of our images over here. Now give it a short description and just change the aspect ratio from landscape portrait, the resolution, and click generate video. With just one simple description, your photo is going to transform from attention grabbing image into attention grabbing ad. Let's just watch the video for a second.
This is the new Botanical Restore Cream from Verdant Alchemy. See how this rich texture just absorbs beautifully, leaving a radiant glow.
Verdant Alchemy, where botanical science meets restorative luxury.
Now that is the power of Creativio AI. We turn boring products into brand assets and we turn impressions into clicks and sales. Now it's your turn to stop the scroll, ditch the white background, and start selling more of your products. Try Creativio AI today and click on the button below this video and get started for a special discount.